Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Reports.
The dollar was on the front foot minutes after the Federal Reserve's July meeting pointed to US interest rates staying higher for longer to bring down inflation. Electric auto giant Tesla said it has slashed the delivery waiting time for its Model 3 and Model Y cars in China as it ramps up output at its Shanghai plant after upgrading production lines. Oil prices were little changed as investors grappled with falling stockpiles in the United States, rising output from Russia, and worries about a potential global recession. The Aussie dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.2% in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an oversold market. Volkswagen stock fell 0.8% in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The dollar-yen pair gained 0.6% in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The pound-dollar pair dove 1% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count will be released at 1700 hours GMT. Germany's producer price index at 0600 hours GMT. The Portuguese current account balance at 1000 hours GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY-NC net positions will be released at 1930 GMT. The UK's retail sales at 0600 hours GMT. The UK's public sector net borrowing at 0600 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.